Dak ar punduterik risau arajar arpuar umentri rangba kajilla u Conrad ke sangma ula Jurip ya ka cancer wing ka civil hospital Shillong ka cancer wing ka day ka balapendon kam menshua ka por covid ward bat lapen bahaya ka ban pensa ya ki basitom cancer ha ka jingjurip ulap ta ya ki badai pej ban pelong ya ki jakasa ki babiang kenang makan ai jingyarap ya ki nongpang.
Most of the patients actually are from far off place. So like he's undergoing radiation now, but they're from very far. They can't come and be care, so we admit them for the whole 1.5 months, 2 months they stay in the hospital.
You can tell them that in 2 weeks time.
I think after you can say facial or not.
We have enough time.
Yeah.
But this thing is very civil work. Then we cannot start the process of then getting the beds and again another 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
But then in the meantime it takes time. We will use the old.
They also found part of the treatment. How can you do it fast? No? This space is not enough. Especially for the patients outside, it's not managing bad. Push up, tell them to do it clear night open. We came to the cancer wing of the civil hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So, as you're aware that during the COVID time, this was also used as a COVID center, and so certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I'm happy to see that a lot of progress has been made, and we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the equipments, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week.